FocusTrack. FocusTrack includes Spotlight, ActiveTrack, and Point of Interest, POI. Before enabling FocusTrack, make sure the flight environment is open and unobstructed with sufficient light. Click the FocusTrack icon on the left side of the app, tap the plus in the camera view, or select the subject on the screen to enable FocusTrack. Spotlight. Spotlight is the default mode once entering FocusTrack. Press the shutter record button on the remote controller or the screen to start taking photos or recording video. Push the left stick up, down to change the aircraft altitude. Push the left stick left, right, or use the gimbal dial to alter the distance from the subject. Push the right stick up, down to adjust the subject positioning in the shooting frame. Push the right stick left, right to make the aircraft circle the subject. ActiveTrack. The aircraft follows the subject in the auto and manual submodes, which can be switched via the app. The aircraft is manually controlled to fly along a specified trajectory. Auto. The aircraft continuously plans and adjusts the flight path based on the flying environment, automatically completing complex camera movements. Here, we take a person as the tracking subject to demonstrate how to use manual. Tap the plus in the camera view or press the C1 button on the remote controller. Spotlight is enabled by default. Tap ActiveTrack and manuals enable. Tap or slide the circle and aircraft will fly designated route. Tap Auto to switch to auto mode. The aircraft will fly automatically based on the flying environment. Press the shutter record button on the remote controller or the screen to start shooting photos or recording video. Enter the control settings in the app and select FocusTrack settings. Select person as the subject and configure the related parameters. Circle. After selecting the tracking subject, tap POI. Set the flight direction and speed. Aircraft will circle around the point of interest. The aircraft centers the camera on the subject and circles it at a constant altitude. Exiting FocusTrack. After enabling, click the FocusTrack icon again to exit.